Edern Clwstwr curriculum aims to meet the needs of our pupils, who come from varied backgrounds in a mixed catchment area in eastern Cardiff, the capital of Wales.
The four purposes are at the heart of the Bro Edern Clwstwr curriculum. Despite the fact that they are long-term aspirations, they need daily attention if they are to be realised.
Guiding pupils who are proud of their civic heritage in our capital city means that Welshness, the Welsh language and its historical development are all core to our vision.
Purposefully interweaving the areas of our curriculum ensures that the pupils of the Bro Edern Clwstwr benefit from the breadth of the curriculum while concentrating on what matters.
The diverse range of people studied in the Bro Edern Clwstwr curriculum include role models to inspire the whole cross-section of Clwstwr pupils.
Growing up in a multicultural city, where living and getting along with others is a key part of daily life, requires the encouragement of tolerance and respect in our pupils.
Fostering aspiration in our pupils means developing firm skills and strategies, enabling them to face success and failure. Perseverance and resilience are a key part of the growth mindset we nurture in our pupils.
Secure knowledge is the foundation on which Clwstwr pupils gain experiences and build transferable skills to be applied today and in the future.
Our pupils have a vital role to play as we face our planet's 21st century challenges. So instilling environmental responsibilities in our students is a crucial part of our work.
Our Clwstwr schools have the ability to transform the lives of our pupils. With us, our pupils gain the knowledge, skills and experiences which will enrich the rest of their lives. The roots and wings in the Clwstwr logo encapsulate this.